Hey there, this is Shadow of the Past. This is just a quick tutorial on how to do the Nugget glitch, or Nugget zip, or Nugget Wallclip glitch, whatever you want to call it. There are a few things you need to know in order to do this trick. First, it must be on a level with these checkpoint types. It doesn't work if the checkpoints are teleporters or if there are no checkpoints. You need to have these checkpoints in order to have the animation of climbing out of the checkpoint. You also need an upgrade can in order to activate the glitch, and you need Nugget, obviously. So, in order to do this glitch, I would recommend once you get to a point where you're ready to do the glitch, set your save file in the save file directory to read only. That way, if you mess up, you can easily quit out, reload the save, and not have to set everything back up or do the tutorial again. So in order to do the wall clip for supermarket specifically, you need to be at the third checkpoint. I think the second one probably works, but I haven't tested it, and it's probably way harder, and I'll get to that why that is in a second. So to do the glitch, all you need to do is dash into the uh, upgrade can, like I'm dashing right now, and I'm going to respawn at checkpoint, but I'll grab the can before I die. So I'm grabbing the can right now, and I'm gonna go ahead and upgrade myself. And then when I unpause, I will die and spawn back at the checkpoint. And now Nugget is eating the can and doing that respawn animation at the same time, so now Nugget's in a glitchy state and won't follow me properly. So if you're close to the checkpoint, the glitch isn't really noticeable. The movement is basically the same. But as you get further away from the checkpoint, Nugget will start moving more and more erratically. So if you notice, if I bring him closer to me like that, you'll notice now he's drifting very far away. And this is just due to some weird glitch with the animation not updating properly due to both the animations stacking. So we can use this by, during a swing, Nugget will actually pull on us, like as we're still in the gravel, which normally Nugget doesn't move. And so in order to clip away, oh, another thing before I get to that, this effect gets stronger and stronger the further you are from the checkpoint where you activated the glitch. But if you get too far away, I'm not sure if this is far enough. But yeah, if you get too far away from the checkpoint, the glitch just stops. Yeah, like he just stopped way out there because he got out of the bounds of the glitchy area. And so, yeah, this is out of bounds. So now he's just normal Nugget. But if we go back inbounds, now he's glitchy again. So yeah, that's about the distance of how far the glitch can take you, which is kind of why this glitch isn't too helpful in most levels, because you can get out of bounds in almost any level, but getting back inbounds is the problem, because you can only go so far before you need to clip back inbounds. So anyway, in order to do the wall clip, you want to be facing away from the wall that you want to clip through, because if you're facing the wall, then you'll just wall slide onto it or do the wall climb animation. So if you're facing away from it, you should clip through. And if you notice during the animation, he kind of goes back and forth in a sort of wave motion. You want to start swinging as he is moving upwards and towards the wall. So instead of doing it when he's going down, so he's going down now, and if I start swinging now, I almost got through. Let's try one more time. It's starting to go. Almost. One more time. There we go. And we're through. Sometimes if you're like too far over here, you might risk clipping into this wall. So I usually go for this wall, even though it kind of risks you hitting these cinder block pillars. So it might be easier on this wall, but you do risk clipping into this. If you like kind of face yourself like this, you might avoid clipping into that, but I haven't tested it extensively. And yeah, now you're through the wall and you can get the pie without needing to go through the entire level. Although this is probably only worth it in 2 ingredients. Doing it in the normal full game route probably isn't worth it because you skip out on some easy can upgrades, which are useful for early platforming. But yeah, that's the trick.